What up, babies? Back again with another lit candle review from Bath and Body to the Works. Okay, so this one is Bubbly Rose. Do I be saying the name right? I think I be calling it everything but. Yeah, Bubbly Rose. When I first smelled it, I was like, eh. But then when I smelled it again, I was like, ooh. Anywho, let's get into this candle, y'all. Okay, the packaging. Off rip. I love it. I love it. It is a half wrap with that frosted jar. What is this? The Medallion collection. Y'all gonna tell me one day what this collection is called so I can say it properly. And the color. The color, y'all, is so pretty. It's funny because I don't like red as something I would wear. I don't know, it just doesn't do much for my skin tone. I'm gonna need for y'all to disregard how fabulous this red scarf looks on me right now. All right. Okay, finish talking, Shay. But on a candle, it's a whole different experience. I don't know what it is. Now it has that top that my other two candles should have had. They played me. Anywho, let's focus, Shay. Yeah, it's just so pretty. It's metallic. Oh, it's just absolutely. Look at it. Look at she. Look. Y'all don't tease me about y'all having those tops for the other can. Don't do that to me. All right. Wax time, y'all. Is it red? I can't remember. Is it red? If it's red. Okay, I'm scared. Damn, it's white. With chili. Chicken. Ooh, you smell it? Yeah, it's white. Yeah, this smells good. And you know what it smells like? Okay, this is what it smells like. It smells like a hybrid of pink apple punch and champagne toast. That's what it smells like. It really, really do. Huh. Let's get into these notes. See what they done did here. All right. So we have pink sparkling rose, sweet blood orange, splash of cranberry juice with essential oils. Now, because I don't open my mouth and said what I said, I am going to check to see what I said. Pink apple punch and champagne toast. I'll be right back. Okay, I got them. And they're both White Barn, funny enough. Okay, so pink apple punch. It has crisp. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I don't know why I be struggling. All right. Here we go. We have crisp apples, sun-kissed melon, sugar crystals with essential oils. All right, the bubbling champagne. It's called Bubbling Rose, not Champagne Shade. Okay, so the champagne toast. Oh, the word bubbling. It's bubble. It's bubbly. Girl, please. Okay, champagne toast has bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine with essential oils. I think I might be onto something. So what I should do is burn these two together later and see, make a comparison. Should I do that? I think I should. I wish I had these two that were already used because they're both brand new. And I don't know if I want to mess them up. Shay, you're not messing them up. You're smelling them and you're enjoying them. All right? Get over it. Okay. Anywho. Okay, so yo, I'm excited to burn this bubbly rose. All right? So let me trim, because these wicks is longer than a light, and get this puppy started, all right? And I smell it. It smells so good. I will be back, all right? Stay tuned. Why I felt like going, trying to end it already. Stay tuned. Hi, Okay, so y'all, I'm not crazy. I'm silly, but I'm not crazy. This is a Frankenstein right here. Absolutely. This is a hybrid. It's good though. Yeah, you can't tell me no different. This is pink apple punch and champagne toast merged, combined. Yeah, okay. Let's get into the performance. So the throw is like a 7. Yeah, it's not as intense as champagne toast. Champagne toast, if you got a sinus problem, you clear. And pink apple punches, it gives you a punch too, if I remember correctly, right? What was the throw on that? Y'all remember? Pink apple punch. Okay, the throw, 7.5. Yeah, with the door open, it's a really, really good throw. But this is a good balance of both of them. I'm telling you, I like this candle. Aesthetically, nothing but accolades. What are the big words right now? Shut up. Yeah, she's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The pool is nice and even, liquefied rather quickly. Medium to high flame, but not aggressive, y'all. This one is not aggressive. The mushrooms, none. Like small, minuscule. A little bit of suggestion, but truthfully, I've been burning her a little bit too long. So it's time to blow she out. But she's so pretty. Kind of wish I would have got 2. Yeah, so we'll see what they doing with sales and stuff. I might get her again. So yeah, she's a repurchase. If the price is right. And I know earlier I said I was going to burn pink apple punch and champagne toast together to see. But don't you think that'd be strong? I might pass out. I'm so inclined to try, but now I'm scared. This is good. This is a nice balance. Yeah, dang, I should have got 2. Yeah. Oh yeah, she's a keeper. Okay, so having said all of that, I will see you babies later. I love you guts. And come on, I know you could do it. So be good. All right?